Kaler. As the car corner pace car ducks down, we are going to go late model heat racing. Here we go. They're first of the 10-lap race. They're coming up the Cup. Great flag, and we're racing. DJ Smith trying to take the lead away from Van Oske. Here comes Driver X looking to stay on the outside to give Van Oske pressure as Van Oske holds to the inside. As DJ Smith's out there in front by himself now. Here comes Driver X on the outside of Van Oske. Into turn 3, out of turn 4. It's DJ, it's Driver X, it's Van Oske, it's Kaler, Bilderbeck, and Beinlich. A lot of B names in that race.
Be hot too.
As they're coming around, Driver X looking to the inside of Smith. As they're coming into 1. Driver X, the winner of the Fast Dash. Will he get the heat win as well? As DJ Smith trying to hang on. This is a 10-lap race.
Dennis Smith, 4th in the points, has won 4 heats of his own, so the 81 car knows how to win heats too.
Van Oske slipping back to position 5 as Bilderbeck's grabbing 4. We're halfway through this time around as DJ Smith hangs in there. It's DJ, Reynolds, Kaler, Bilderbeck, Van Oske, and Beinlich.
Who will pass low to catch them all?
And it's Beinlich grabbing the 5th spot. Bilderbeck looking to grab position 3. Bilderbeck on Kaler's outside. 3 to go this time around. And DJ's got Driver X all in his rear view mirror. As they're coming around this time, it's going to be 2 to go. Will Driver X make a move to try to grab this heat race win? What's going to happen?
He's holding on in that 81 over the X. Bilderbeck right there, the top qualifier of Kaler.
White flag.
And there goes John Reynolds trying to make a move on the last lap. Can Dennis Smith Jr. hold him off? Reynolds there, Bilderbeck creeping up as well. Kaler in the 17 there. Who's going to finish on top? 81! Dennis Smith Jr., your winner.
What a race. We had pressure from Reynolds with about 2 to go. Looked like something happened there in turn 4. Reynolds off just a little. Bilderbeck decided to come in, bring in pressure. These guys are going to be back at it for their feature. This should be an interesting story tonight when the late models, the Stanley Steamer late models, run their feature.
4th in the points overall on the Stanley Steamer late models. That is his 5th heat win in the 81 car.